All right, we're up here at Smith Mountain Lake at Moose's. Okay, going to the store. Okay. And we're up here at this little place here having supper. We eat at Moose's. It was good. It's up there somewhere. Yeah. Up here we need to go to the boat here and take a boat ride. Well, I guess we'll pass on that today. We have done that before. Right down there where they got a whole lot of fish jumping out of the water sometimes. I think they're taking a nap now. Let me walk right on down here. And over right there, that place where you climb that thing. Harbor Town Golf. It ain't open yet. It's a little bit too early in the year. And I don't have to do that, a lot of things. But they must, a lot of times on Saturday night, have a band up here, but I think a little bit too early for that too. Didn't see nobody tuning up, nothing like that. So we come back here about May or June, July, boys. They'll have bands going, everything jumping up here. All right. So we're at Smith Mountain Lake.
All right, last pizza's still in the oven. Okay, guys.
This is a pizza place. They got all kind of eating places.
All right, and I'll bring that out.
We had Moose's, we had a hoagie. My wife had barbecue and I had roast beef. It was good. And she's in here shopping somewhere. Here's the ice cream cottage. It's open, I think. And over here's that climbing pole I seen downtown a while ago. All right. I'm going to set it down here for a minute. Might get out there next to the lake and show you what the water looks like. Holler at y'all later.